Jagun Jagun Part 2 coming out and other revelations by Femi Adebayo as movie trends. Welcome to Sumi Crown TV. Please do well to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section about the movie and give this video a thumbs up like. Jagun Jagun movie we have Part 2, said Nollywood actor, come filmmaker Femi Adebayo. Nigerian news reports that the multi-billion naira movie Jagun Jagun has been making news headlines, a talk on social media platform following its premiering a few days ago. The film was written and produced by Adebayo, who explained the movie explained the life of a young man determined to become a powerful warrior by joining an elite army. He encountered the wrath of a maniacal warlord and the love of a fierce woman, sharing insight into the events before, during and after the production of the movie. Adebayo, while addressing journalists, said Jagun Jagun will have Part 2. According to him, the movie was filmed for 45 days and the geographical and physical setting of the movie are Oyo State. Adebayo, who was featured on a TVC program, said the movie cast and the crew started training 3 months before filming the movie. He gave account of casualties and some dramas that unfolded during the film shooting. He said Lateef Adedimeji broke his leg in the first scene and was crying and sad, thinking he would be replaced despite all his hard work. But he was later featured in the movie. He explained further that the war school and other buildings were built from scratch. Hakim effect is the brain behind the appearance of the character of Agemo, the swiftness, the lighting, etc., though the idea was conceived by Femi Adebayo. He said the movie is a message to all Nigerian youths. Nobody is coming to save them if they fail to stand up for themselves, like Dotija and other students did against Ogundiji. The movie is well accepted by all. I have the idea of Jagun Jagun in place before I produce King of Thieves. I only produce King of Thieves first to test run the market. Thank you for listening to us. And please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute everything you know about the movie. Thank you.